Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions, where tech tips are simple and fun. In this video, I will show you how to place the Google search bar right on your home screen for fast access without installing anything new. Here's what we will cover. Step 1. Select widgets. Step 2. Add the Google search bar. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Select widgets. On your Android phone, long press any blank area of your home screen. A menu should appear. Tap Widgets or Add Widgets. You will see a list of available widgets. Scroll until you find Google or Search. These come pre-installed on most Android devices. Step 2. Add the Google search bar. Within that section, locate the search bar widget. Tap and hold it. Then drag it onto your home screen, where you'd like it, and customize its look in your preference. After placing the widget, you can adjust its size or move it by dragging. That's it. Instant access to search from your home screen in one tap. That is all it takes to add the Google search bar. No extra installations necessary. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who would love this tip. Don't forget to subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more fast and easy tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.